So this is what you get for 3,700. Now this is definitely by far the cheapest BMW S1000 in the country, especially this time of the year. So let's have a closer look and see exactly what you get. Now, first thing I want to point out is this here, crash protectors, as well as this rear tire. Now you can actually see this bike was used as a track bike. According to the previous owner, he's only been on 2 track days. Got a nice little slip on here, but got that big old granddad box on it that has got to be changed. Is definitely restrictive, but it still sounds really good. Got a few ideas for this. My plan is to build a BMW S1000Rr M killer for a fraction of the price. Bikes nowadays are fetching hefty price tags for bikes nowadays, so getting one of these at the price I paid, it's actually a really good price. Now, comment below if you think I've done a good thing. Is there any other bike I could have bought for that money? Something a little bit better than S1000? Kind of debatable on that there. S1000, pretty much one of the pinnacle bikes you could get for that money. It's in pretty decent condition. Do have a few little tasty option extras there. Rear footrest deletes. Chain in really good condition. Over lubed, as you can see by the amount of lubrication on that rear swing arm. As I said, crash protectors, nice little touch. These ain't cheap. These original indicators are horrendous. Got to get rid of this screen as well. I'm not sure, man. I've got a few little ideas what I want to do with this bike, but first of all, I want to service it. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? That definitely needs to be addressed before I start riding this and it flies off. I've not done many miles on this bike, to be honest with you, probably around 50 if that. Bought it without an MOT, just got an MOT on it, has passed. I'm not sure if there's any advisories, I don't think there is, but as you can see, it's in really good condition. The paintwork is pretty much immaculate. There are a few little tiny scratches, I think it's on the other side actually, so we will get to the other side and I will point out what I've seen. Okay, yeah, here we go. Got that there, and to be fair, I think I've done that, taking it in and out my garden. That there definitely didn't do that. Well, you never know. I did have the straps going this way when I had it in the van. Yeah, so overall, like I said, paintwork is in really good condition. Mileage is, don't actually know, to be fair. Come on, there we go, 37,500, just say 37,600. Not bad. High mileage, but still really low mileage. You buy a car with that much mileage, you'd be like, this is a really low mileage car. These engines are built so much better than car engines. They can take a lot more power and they are abused. So there is kind of debatable on a low mileage to a higher mileage bike, in my opinion. Having a look at the discs. Discs are really good. I don't think these are original, but in really good nick. Calipers, again. Forks, really good, no leaks. I think it's in really decent condition, to be fair. Other side, again, fork, no leaks. Disc, perfect. We've already been here. The chain is in definitely brand new chain. That's not a very old chain, to be fair. You know, once we clean that, it's going to come out really nice. Rear tire, pretty much brand new, as you can see. Disc, bit of scoring in that, but still usable. Pads, pretty much brand new. As I said, a little few option extras like the exhaust, the RNG tail tidy indicator's got to go. Rear foot rest delete. Definitely want to get rid of all this stuff here. The frame, we need to, I have seen on eBay you can get some carbon frame covers. You can get them for the frame. These little plastic trims there, as well as the rear swing arm and mudguard as well as the front mudguard. So definitely got a few things. Mirror's got to go. Yeah, a few little things I want to address on this bike, but 3,700, definitely the cheapest BMW S1000 in the country by far. The rims, you know, they have got a few little marks on them, so maybe we can get them off, powder coat them, change the color completely. I am actually planning on changing the color of this bike. Not a big fan of this, even though it looks as good as it does. Maybe I'll just wrap it just to kind of keep the bike original for when I do sell it on. But yeah, camera does not like that sight because of the lighting, but does not like that view. But overall, BMW S1000 for 3,700. Now, if you think I made a mistake by buying a BMW S1000 for 3,700, comment below, let me know what you would have bought if you had a budget of 4 grand. I think I've done really well on this one. Plus, got a few little tasting mods to do on this, so stay tuned. In the next video, we'll order some bits today, and in the next video, we'll get on cleaning the bike, servicing the bike, taking it for a ride, and yeah, take it from there with the modifications and see how well we do with this. Definitely want to get a full exhaust to that slip-on pipe, get the bike tuned, air filter, see what other bits I can do performance wise, and then we'll start on the cosmetic side of things. I will get a few little things first of all, like indicators, screen, mirrors, potentially, I'm not sure, can you change these grips? These are heated grips, by the way. It does have heated grips, it's got traction control, it's got ABS. Listen to that. Someone is having fun. That's what I'm going to be doing straight after this video. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will see you people in the next one. I'll order some bits. In the next video, we'll start cleaning, servicing and doing a few little cosmetic changes, and then we'll start with the modifications for performance. So stay tuned. See you in the next one. Bye bye.